What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie Weinrich. Here we are helping you feel successful at dinner time with super simple dinner recipes. So if that sounds good to you, we would love to have you subscribe to the channel. You can actually come back every Tuesday for a new recipe video of something you can definitely get on the table. Today I'm actually going to share with you a side dish that is so fresh and so delicious. This is an Asian style slaw with crispy ramen mixed in. Ramen, yep. Ramen, you know, your 49-cent package of ramen. We're not gonna use the seasoning package, but we are gonna crisp up these ramen noodles with a little bit of butter, make a homemade slaw Asian flavored dressing, and get it all mixed together. So stick around today. I'm gonna show you how to make an Asian style slaw with crispy ramen.
All right, let's get this recipe started. You just need a big skillet over about medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, and then we're gonna crisp up some almonds and some ramen noodles. I added the almonds first here. I recommend that you add the ramen noodles first because the almonds can get a little dark before you get all the ramen noodles in. You'll do better than I did. So add half a cup of slivered almonds and 1 package of dry ramen noodles that you break up into bite-sized pieces right into that butter. You're gonna get them sauteing until they turn nice and deep golden brown. They'll get so toasty and so crispy. It's delicious. Once those are done, you can just set those to the side off the heat, and we're gonna make the dressing that's gonna go on the slaw. So just put a little saucepan over about low heat. You're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, then 2 tablespoons of just white sugar. And what you wanna do on the heat is actually melt this white sugar into the liquid. It barely takes any heat to do this, so just really low heat. You don't want it to simmer or boil. Whisk that sugar in there. Once you see that it's kind of melted into that liquid, you can take that off the heat, and we're gonna add a couple more ingredients. You wanna slowly drizzle in 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, or canola oil will work as well. And then you're gonna squeeze in half of a small lime. So you just need to cut the lime in half, use half of it. I'm sure your dinner could use the other half of lime, whatever you're having for dinner. Now we're gonna chop up 2/3 cup of green onions. As always, I use the white and light green parts of the green onion. It has the most onion flavor. Get that added to an 8-ounce package of coleslaw mix. This is just a store-bought classic coleslaw mix. Then add back those crispy ramen and almonds. Toss that together. Then you can bring that cooled dressing in, give it 1 more whisk just to make sure all that oil is mixed into the other ingredients. Pour that right over the slaw mix, and then you can toss it up and it's ready to go. You can serve it warm like this, or you can pop it in the fridge for a couple hours. It'll be ready for dinner.
All right, that's it. Comes together so fast, so simple, yet it has a ton of flavor. And everybody's gonna love these crispy little ramen pieces in the salad. So we're actually gonna serve this as a side dish with a little marinated baked salmon and some roasted broccoli. Dinner's gonna be super simple, and yet it's gonna have a ton of flavor. So I hope that you give this Asian style slaw with crispy ramen a try in your kitchen. And if you do, please connect with me in the comments below and let me know how you enjoyed it and what you served it with. I would love to know. So until next time, I hope that this dish helps you feel like a success at dinner time. We'll see you next week.